Alright guys, today's lesson we're going to work on drawing 3D shapes. This is going to be quite different for me. I've never really done a video where I got to actually really be in depth with drawing and trying to explain this. So it's going to be kind of weird for me to explain on a video. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get started. What I'm going to do is this first example, I want to draw a 3D shape. Alright, and let's do this in red here. Let's connect these points here and here. And sorry if I'm not talking much, I'm just really trying to be precise in this drawing. See, right now I'm just kind of really not doing a good job here. Okay, and then we'll do here. I could have had this already drawn up. I'll give you like I said, a shape. Let me fix that real quick. Let me just draw it here with my pen. We'll give you a shape. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw 3 different types of views here of this shape. Now, this is kind of an easy shape to look at. Okay. The type of views, I guess perspectives that we need to learn how to draw out. You're taking a 3D shape and drawing like just the side view, the front view, the top view, which would end up being a 2-dimensional platform of each side. So we definitely want a top view, a side view, which I can put right here, and let's do a front view. Okay. Now, kind of label what's the top, what's the side, what's the front, and then start with one thing at a time. Now, I'm going to start with the top view here. Okay. And I'm literally just going to draw out what I see as the top view. And I'll do this in the same color here, green. I like to count like how many boxes I have. 2, 3, 4, 5 going straight across. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And don't worry, somebody probably like, I can't draw. I'm going to give you paper that has these dots on this so you can get some practice. And then I know that I'm going too wide here. So 1, 2. Okay, so the top view, you would see that if you're directly from the top. Side view. Let's look at it. So I want to draw the side view. Okay, this is the side. All right. So if you remember, we said this is 2 blocks wide. You need to start there. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4. This 3D shape is 4 blocks tall. So what I'm going to do, 1, 2, 3, 4. And, you know, it's a nice rectangular shape, which is simple. So my side view would look like that. And then, you know, the front view is kind of already done for you. But nonetheless, we do need to highlight it. And so I'm going to go purple here. This is my front view. If you really think about it, the front view shares the same length as the top view here and the height of the side. So, you know, I come over to the side and let's try to find some room here. So my top view, I'm going to have to erase this, would be right here. Let's go straight across 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to make that a nice straight line. Not very pretty. And then 4 blocks down, nice rectangular shape. Okay. And then just kind of draw your blocks. So that would be my top, or not my top view. What am I thinking? It's late, weekend. Front view, I'm sorry. So that is that right there. Alright. Now we could go backwards with this. Let's just say they give you example 2. We can do 2. Let's say they give you like a front view that does this, a side view that does something like this, and then what side are we missing? We're missing a top view, and the top could be something like this. Alright, so let's say we gotta take these two-dimensional perspectives and draw them out as a 3D object. Now what I like to do is I like to pick a side. I usually start with the front. I don't know why I drew a question mark. I like to start there at the front and kind of trace it out. And then I pick like a matching piece of the figure. So then I'll start, I'll go to the side next. This should be the same size as that. And I'm going 3 blocks back. Now, I didn't really give me enough room, but so I'm going to draw it out like this. 2, 3, and then trace it out. Okay. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, goody. And then the top view, you just kind of have to finish it out. I should see 3 blocks on top. So let's just kind of go there. And that would be my figure. Now, guys, we'll get a lot of practice with this on Monday or whatever day we're on. And go from there.